Unforeseen things can happen, and when they do, you need your equipment to be as consistent and effortless as possible. This reality shapes our approach to manufacturing from design to production. So it wasn't enough to make the Aero Plus the lightest and most aerodynamic guard on the market. We also included cutting-edge features like the Slam Latch to make life on the road easier. With industry-leading technology, the Slam Latch provides nearly instant access to the engine. By simply removing the toe pin, the Aero Plus guard comes down with one click. And locking it back in place is as easy as lifting the guard back into the upright position. The Slam Latch makes pre-inspections and routine maintenance easier than ever, saving drivers precious time. And by replacing the previous eye-bolt mechanisms and removing the need for tools, operators are able to stay focused on the tasks that matter most. HERD takes pride in empowering drivers and maximizing the usage of their vehicles. It's a passion for people that fuels innovation, and one more way that HERD is driving results.